Hey there, and welcome to Unit 9, Finalizing the Research Paper, Part 1. This week's main assignment is the Unit 9 discussion board, where you and your classmates will reflect on the writing tools that were helpful to you this term. Another important task is to work on revising your research paper so that the final draft is ready to submit by the end of Unit 10. To complete this task, you will need to schedule some time to work with a Smart Thinking tutor. You can submit your rough draft for written feedback, or you can work one-on-one with a live tutor. For helpful tips on using the Smart Thinking tutoring service, you can review the IntelliPath lesson, More Instruction on Smart Thinking, from Units 7 and 8. Next, review all the feedback you have received on writing about your topic. The Unit 3 or Unit 5 discussion board, the Unit 6 individual project, which was creating a thesis statement and outline, the Unit 7 discussion board, where you wrote the 3 body paragraphs, and the Unit 8 individual project, which of course was creating the rough draft. If you're not sure where to start, you may want to see if any of the feedback was repeated. For example, if one of your peers thought you didn't have enough evidence to support one of your points in the Unit 7 discussion board, and then your instructor also had a similar comment on your rough draft, then you know you definitely need to spend some time finding and incorporating evidence for that point. Finally, and this might be the most important task this week, use the originality verification tool to check for accidental plagiarism. The originality verification tool is located in your online classroom. Do you need a refresher on how to use that tool? You can review the IntelliPath lesson, Originality Verification and Your Similarity Score, that is in Units 5 and 6. To kick off your work this week, consider this quote by tennis great Arthur Ashe. "Start where you are, use what you have, do what you can."